As some of you might know, So Sweet Tay is an entrepreneur and has many businesses. So I don't believe I have any videos of me tending to my vending machines. So, yep, this is one that I'm just now starting. I only have two machines at one location, a snack machine and a pop machine. And they're doing pretty good. I actually do recommend vending, and it's very easy. I mean, it runs on its own, and I've pretty much been getting knowledge from YouTube and Google, and I mean, of course, I've had my normal hiccups, like the pop machine went out, and I had to reach out to someone to fix that because I unfortunately could not fix that myself. But other than that, I've had these going on a year now, actually, and they've been actually pretty lucrative. They've already paid for themselves and then some. So highly recommend looking into going into the vending business. And if anyone has any questions that I can help with, even with me being new and starting out, I do think that I have learned a lot just from trial and error. So if anyone has any questions, just leave a comment and I'll answer you back or make another video to where I'm answering your questions. But starting off, I will say I paid for both of my machines up front, and I do recommend that. I don't recommend any financing or anything because 1 month was a really slow month where I think I only made like $40-50 for the whole month. And I just know if I was financing, I would have been hurting. So I don't recommend financing machines. I recommend if you can pay upfront, do that. Or where I bought my machines, I actually was able to do half and paid for both. Like, so I paid for one machine, and then when they were ready, which was like, I believe a month, I paid for the rest. So say if you was doing one machine at like $1,200, you'll pay $600, and then $600 when they're ready to deliver, and then whatever the delivery fee is. I don't want to get into too much detail as far as like where I purchased my machines, because I mean it is a Indianapolis thing. But if I do have any locals that does watch and want to know more, I mean, reach out and I'll give you the information. I'm not one to hold out any information. If I can stop anyone from making the same mistakes I did, I'm here to let you know. But here pretty soon, I am looking into buying 2 more machines. Now, to find the locations, I actually use the app. It's called Vending Biz app, and it does have multiple city states on there, and that was pretty helpful on helping me look for a location. And this location where I'm at now actually doesn't require any commission, which I strongly recommend no commission at all. Like, I recommend just being able to purchase your machines and get a location to where you don't have to pay any rent. The less you put out, the better to me. But yeah, I just want to make a brief overview of how vending has been going for me so well, and I think it's been good. I do want to purchase more, but that will be it for today. Thank you. Bye.